son.
Hey guys, I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make audios because I have a sound account on TikTok, and a lot of you guys were wondering how we make our audios and how to do audios so you guys can make your own sound accounts to blow up. And if you want to know how to get a big sound account and how to make good audios, I am here to show you guys how to make audios. So without further ado, let's get right into this YouTube video. So basically the first thing you want to do is look up a celebrity and find one of them for your background, because celebrities do the best to do the best for sound accounts. So you're going to want to look up whatever celebrity. I chose James Charles. Find like a really good picture that you really like, and then you're going to save it to your camera roll. Now you're going to go into Fonto, and if you don't already have this app, make sure you download it. Click upload image. Click the image you want to use. Then you're going to click done. Now you're going to add your sound account name so people can't steal your audios. This is very important because it's very common for people to steal like your audios. So you need to put your name on it here, and also it just makes it look a lot more professional. So just put your name on here. You can use different fonts, and as you can see, you can change the stroke to make it look bolder. You can add different colors. You can pretty much do anything on this app, and that's why I love it so much. This app is also what we use to use our thumbnails, and we're going to show you guys how to make thumbnails eventually. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned on our channel for that. And make sure you subscribe also. And as you can see, I'm just adding the backgrounds or the little like things to the text. And then after you get your little background done and positioned, what you're going to do is you're going to want to save that to your camera roll as well. Then we're going to head into Video Star. Now, if you don't already have Video Star, this is my favorite editing app. I highly recommend it. Click Recently Added. Find an audio you want to use. You could have made the audio. Here's the audio that I'm just going to use. I'm going to use this one right here, and then you're going to click Make Video. So then it's going to go through this little processing thing. Processing. And now you're going to want to click New, click Import Photo, and you're going to import the photo you just made with your letters, like with your name on it. Now you're going to want to split the scene at the beat drop. Then once you find this little beat drop, you're going to click Edit, then click Quick Split, and then split the scene, and it's going to split. And then basically we're going to go into New Multi-Layer Clip. And this is where it gets confusing. Click 1, click your little thingy, then click the little QR code button, then go into Recently Added, and then go to your QR codes that you got from my YouTube video yesterday for fan edits. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go on our page to find it so you can get the QR codes that I'm using here. Then basically that's going to look like that, and then click Create. Then your video is obviously going to look like that. Then click Re-Effect Clip. Then you're going to want to go over to whatever effect you want. As you can see, I scroll for a while because there are many effects on this app. That's why I highly recommend getting Video Star. Most of the Re-Effect clips are free, and the clip that I'm using today is free. It's the fire effect, and it just looks really cool, and like it works really well, and it draws attention to your sound account page. So I highly recommend using this effect. And then as you can see, you just basically have your sound and then the beat drop into so this is a really cool way you can make audio, and I highly recommend it, guys. Little X at the top of the screen when you're done putting everything in. Click the little export button, and now it will save to your camera roll. And that is how you make audios.
Like 3-6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6. Bottles in the ice, like a blizzard. When we drink, we do it right, getting slizzers.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you click the box at the end of this video, because that's going to take you to the free version of how to make audios, because this was the paid version. That's going to take you to the free version of how to make audios, and it's a very good video, very good described and everything, so make sure you click the box at the end of this video. It might not be there whenever this video is first uploaded, just because the fact that like this video was just uploaded and I didn't have the chance to put the box on there yet, but it will be up there within like the first hour of this video being up. Love you guys so much. Bye.
Show me what you got now, come and make it work, my
Damn, son.